I'm Martha Bartlett Piland, President and CEO of BANKTASTIC. We help financial brands build love and loyalty. So let's talk about innovation. Innovation can be a tricky subject for financial brands. We are encumbered by a lot of rules and regulations, and sometimes that can make it feel difficult to think outside the box. But innovate we must, because competition is fiercer than ever, not only from our own sectors, but also from emerging technologies and emerging places in the market. So if we're not evolving and bringing new products and services to our customers in new ways, we're going to miss out. So where do you get inspiration for innovation? Well, walking in the customer's shoes is a really great place to start. I like to say, go on a ride-along. For business customers, that could mean going to see their business in action. If it's a manufacturer, perhaps you go out on the manufacturing floor with your customer. Have her show you what's happening with employees, how the product is made, how they interact with vendors when they come and go, and what the environment's like. Or for a different kind of business-to-business customer, you might go along with them on a trade show and walk the trade show floor or actually work at their booth. Observe the conversations that they have with customers and prospects there. What's happening with the competition? What else is happening there that gives you some insights into that industry and what that customer is dealing with each day? Or go out on a sales call with your customer and see what kinds of conversations are had there and what that's like on a daily basis. I guarantee you, if you're spending some time like that instead of sitting behind a desk, your brain will light up with ideas on how you can serve these customers better. Okay, what about retail customers? You can do a ride-along of sorts with them too. You could go stand in your drive-thru and watch the cars as they go by. How long do customers wait in their cars? What are they doing while they're waiting in their cars? Or same thing with your ATM, if it's a drive-up or a walk-up. Observe what's happening and how they're interacting with your brand. You could also just do a little experimenting by filling out one of your own loan applications. If it still has to be done on paper, that might even be more of a challenge that will make you think of some new things. Or open up a statement and see what kind of language and terminology is there. Does it use terms like DDA and other things that are meaningful to you, but maybe not so much to your customer? Those are good opportunities to learn and see what else you can do for them. And for both retail and business customers, dig into the back end of your website. Look at your analytics. What's happening when people come to your website? Are they using the calculators? Are they reading financial education that you have there? Do you have financial education there? What else are they doing? How much time are they spending? What are they digging deeper in to look at, or are they hitting and leaving? If you can have some good understanding of what's happening there, that also helps you innovate into offering different products or building a website that works better for those customers when they're there. Now, once you've done that, it's not enough to just do that for yourself, but you also need to share this information with your employees. Make sure that innovation is a part of the conversation you're having on a daily basis if that's something important to you, which I hope it is. So when you're having a lunch and learn or a staff meeting, even if those have to be virtual, let your employees know that this is important and ask for their opinions and their ideas. Many of them are frontline people and they may have some really good ideas, but they just haven't been asked. So make sure innovation is part of daily conversation. Observe and watch what's happening. Listen. Make sure it's an entirely pervasive organizational ideal, and you'll create some really big wins. So that's it. Walk a mile in your customer's shoes. Go on a ride along. See what they're experiencing. Get a feel for the headaches that they might be having. See the opportunities that are there.